I'm going to start with the Legion 5 Pro, which is a successor to last year's Legion 5P. Just like its name suggests, it was created for pro-level esports performance and comes in second only to the Legion 7 in terms of raw speed and processing power. Staying true to our design language, this PC goes for a super minimalist look by replacing the entire Legion logo with only our iconic Y symbol. Here, check it out. The Legion 5 Pro also comes with this jet engine-inspired exhaust system to work in conjunction with its turbocharged dual-fan design. This unique chassis allows for incredible thermals thanks to its quad-channel exhaust system. It has improved thermal fins and these little intake vents underneath each keyboard switch that help keep your PC cool. Just like the Legion 7, it comes with the world's first 16-inch QHD display with a 165 Hz refresh rate. You can expect super smooth gameplay with 0 frame rate drops in QHD resolution, along with an 11% height advantage over a typical.
Introducing the all-new Thinkpad X12 Detachable. We do not believe that one size fits all, which is why we expanded our Thinkpad portfolio to offer more choices to our customers. The all-new Thinkpad X12 Detachable is a true 2-in-1 powerhouse, featuring 11th Gen Intel Core vPro processors. The beautiful 400 nit 12.3-inch high-resolution display is protected by Gorilla Glass. It has a premium feel detachable folio keyboard with touchpad and track point, and an integrated kickstand to provide various viewing angles. Attached either by the keyboard loop or magnetically on the side, the Precision Pen can easily access for note-taking. You can connect to a dock with either Thunderbolt 4 or USB-C ports. Security features include a touch fingerprint reader and IR camera with webcam shutter. X12 Detachable also includes optional 4G LTE wireless WAN for connectivity on the go.